In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Designer completely free. Let me guide you through the entire process of creating stunning designs efficiently and easily. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Microsoft Designer. If you're not yet familiar, Microsoft Designer is a powerful tool that allows you to create professional quality designs with minimal effort. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled Create New Design and go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new canvas for your project. Now, it's time to choose the size of your canvas. Depending on your needs, you may select dimensions suitable for social media, print, or digital use. This flexibility ensures your design will look perfect across various platforms. Next, decide whether to upload your own images or utilize the available stock images. Uploading personal images allows for a personalized touch, while stock images provide a professional appeal if you don't have your own. Either option can significantly enhance your design with visual interest. An exciting feature of Microsoft Designer is its AI image generating tool. To use this, simply click on Generate Images with AI. You'll then be prompted to enter a text description of the image you envision. Think creatively and descriptively to get the best results, as this tool can produce impressive images based on your input. As the AI generates your image, you'll have the chance to edit and tweak it to fit your vision. Adjust colors, modify shapes, or apply filters to match the theme you're aiming for. This level of customization ensures your design is truly one of a kind. Once your design elements are in place, take a moment to preview your work. This is crucial for identifying any areas that might need further refinement or adjustment. If something appears off or doesn't quite meet your expectations, don't hesitate to make the necessary changes until you're completely satisfied with how everything looks. When you're pleased with your creation, it's time to export your design. Ensure that your final piece is exactly how you want it, because exporting is essentially the last step in the design process. Save your file in the format that best fits your intended use, whether that's a PDF for print or a JPEG for digital media. Congratulations, you've completed your design using Microsoft Designer, all without spending a penny. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Microsoft's design tools efficiently while maintaining creative freedom. Experiment with different canvases, images, and AI features to expand your design capabilities further. With practice, you'll find that creating high-quality professional designs can be both accessible and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and happy designing.